Hello everybody, welcome back to Crypto Switzerland. I'm Exito from the Discord channel, if you might know me, and today I'm gonna talk you through the Bitcoin drop that we got, and I'm also gonna talk you through some altcoins which I think are at really low value right now. Again, this is no financial advice, guys, do your own research, but I'm giving you my insights, my perspective on how I see the market right now, and let's hop right into the charts. So for Bitcoin, we had this drop from the all-time highs, had a little pump again up to this old daily, and then dropped again. Right now, we are, or I think we are in a range, as we were previously with all these drops. You get a little range. Here you had this range between these weeklies, pumped up, and as we dump right now again with a pretty high percentage, I think we're gonna range here for a bit. So that's how I'm trading. I already got 2 wins out of this range. Did not take a loss today. I did take a loss on trying to long this weekly again, but that's no problem. That's why I have risk management. That's why I have a stop loss at all times. I always have a stop loss, obviously right now. And you can see these horizontal lines, these weeklies, dailies, and monthlies. These get respected so nicely. You can literally trade only off of these if you wanted to. I wouldn't, but you could. You literally could. They're so good. So, and for if we are gonna break this range to the upside or to the downside, the next levels of support would be at 57,400-ish, which is a daily with a naked point of control. That means a lot of volume here that has not been touched before, so maybe a lot of traders want to get outbreak even at this point, and we might get a reaction. The lower level that we got is 56k, which is a daily. It's not that important, but for intraday trading you want to be aware of it. The bigger support comes in at 55k, which is the uptrend value area low, which I have pulled a fixed range from this whole uptrend to where we are now, and this gives us a value area low, which means this is the low value of Bitcoin right now in this uptrend. So if the bulls don't buy this uptrend value area low up, we are honestly gonna see much lower prices, in my opinion, to at least the uptrend value area high of the whole uptrend, which is gonna be 50k. But yeah, these are the next supports to be aware of. For resistance wise, if you are intraday trading, be aware of this weekly, exactly 60k pretty much. Next up is gonna come the daily with the uptrend point of control in confluence. So that means this uptrend point of control, most volume transacted so far. This is gonna be big resistance, also with this anchored VWAP. And the next resistance is gonna be the weekly. Weekly, obviously. If we pump through all these levels, our last resistance for the moment is going to be this downtrend point of control, this little region up here at 62,800-ish. It's always a region, guys. It's never, it can be exact dollars, but it's mostly a region. You want to be reactive and not predictive. And I can quickly mark these resistances out for you. This is going to be the first one. This is going to be the second one. Pull these out. The third one is going to be somewhere up here. This, honestly, this is a whole region right here. Yeah, you can monitor these exact dollar levels, but for a bigger term time frame, this is a bigger region. Exactly, yeah. And supports, I can also mark them out for you. It's going to be this naked point of control with the daily down here, and also this region down here is really important. This is the most important one, naked point of control with the uptrend value area low right here, guys. Be aware of 55k. So I think that is it with Bitcoin for now, and I'm gonna jump into some altcoins to show you which altcoins I think at the moment are at really low value, which for first is IOST. And I just have to say this, guys, I put some gamble money into the altcoins that just dropped the most today. The altcoins that dropped the most, I just threw some money in because you cannot get scared with these dumps. You gotta be greedy. These are the opportunities. And as you can see, I literally bought the exact, not really the exact, but pretty much the exact bottom of IOST because I saw the bounce of the golden pocket confluence with the weekly, and I already took profit 1, put my stop loss in at break even, and now I'm gonna let it ride. Let it ride. Yeah, IOST is at really low value. SEM, in my opinion, is also at a really low value. Just if you look at the charts right now, and in trading, you you always want to buy low and sell high. And you gotta ask yourself, where is this coin at? Is it low or is it high? It is low. And also do your own research on the fundamentals of these coins, guys. I really don't care at all about these fundamentals because I'm purely a technical trader, and everyone to their own. But if you want to buy these, do your own analysis, please. This is no financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion, which coins I think are at low value at the moment. CHZ. Also, I don't know how these coins are called. I just know the short term of the coin because I don't care about the fundamentals. CHZ is also at a really low value. It's looking like it wants to pump. Obviously, we have this descending triangle kind of ish right here. XRP, also not looking bad. Not at a really low value, but also a good buying point right here. In my opinion, no financial advice again, guys. No financial advice. EOS, oh my god, this is at such low value right now. EOS. Pesos XTZ. This is not really a low value. This is just a coin I like to trade. Technically really well respected. And now the big runner, guys. ICP. Do you see this? ICP was at almost $3,000 once, and now we are trading it at $42. So we gotta zoom in right here a lot to see where it's at. And I think ICP is at such a low value right now. Yeah, pretty much $42. We're hovering above this monthly level right here, which is obviously support. Hope you can tell that. Yeah, ICP, really low value. ETC, Ethereum Cash. Yes, guys, this coin is not dead to me. This is at low value right now. Holding support, really nice. We had resistance, pumping, now it's support for this long time. Also kind of descending triangle. Yeah, be aware of these coins, guys. Bill also at a really low value. Don't know what this crazy wick was, but Bill really low value for me right now. And yeah, Ethereum, obviously it's just a coin I trade. It's not at all at a low value. This is high. I'm selling when it's high. And you can tell also that these 0.618 extensions got respected so nicely. Like, yeah, you can't make this stuff up. You can literally not make this stuff up. So yeah, this was my kind of altcoin list, which obviously are all Bybit altcoins because I only trade on Bybit. But I look at the Binance pair just because we have much more history on the Binance charts than on Bybit, because Bybit just listed like 10 more alts, which is amazing, and I really love Bybit. Yeah. In the future, you can look forward to educational content on shadow investors, where I'm going to teach you about some stuff. Also technical analysis, risk management, why I use Bybit, and so on. So if you want to check that out, go to shadowinvestors.com or follow our Discord. It's completely free for now, the Discord. For the shadow investors, there is a fee you have to pay for, but you also get really nice signals from our group. Like Crypto Switzerland and Baba Yaga are just killing it with those calls. These pre-sale coins, which they do AMAs on, they are just amazing. I could not do that myself as a technical trader. They are really also building on fundamentals, so that's just amazing. Check it out, guys. come to our Discord. We also have a Telegram group, which you can check out in the description. And yeah, hope you're happy with this little analysis that I gave you. I'm gonna see you maybe later in a live stream, which I'm gonna do, but for now, this is it. This is pretty much it. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and peace out.